Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today video is how I wash my old mini twins with DIY deep condition with avocado and banana. First at most, saturate your hair very well so that your cuticles will be open to absorb the moisture and the water. The moisture is what? Water is the moisture. Use lukewarm water to wash your hair. Don't use cold water to wash your hair. So after I saturate my hair for some minutes, I will section my hair into sections. This is my DIY shampoo. The container that you are seeing is my old shampoo that I use. So I use the container to put my DIY shampoo that I made, my homemade shampoo. This shampoo is very moisturizing. It contains some ingredients that will help your hair to grow, stop breakage, stop itching scalp. And also the DIY shampoo foam a lot. It foams a lot. Just one wash, your hair will be super clean. And also it clarify your hair. It clarify your scalp, remove build up on your scalp. The DIY shampoo is very nice. If you want me to bring it up in the channel, just let me know. I will do the shampoo. Can you see the lather? Can you see the foaming? So I'll use my scalp massage my scalp so that to remove the buildups on my scalp, to help my scalp clean. Can you see the foaming? The DIY shampoo foams a lot. This is one application, the first wash. This is the second application. Do you see how the shampoo lather? Do you see the lather? The shampoo lather a lot. Guys, I'm not joking. If you try this shampoo, you will never buy shampoo again in the market. You would love the shampoo. The shampoo is so nice, so moisturizing, so clarified. The shampoo clarify your scalp, keep your scalp clean, super clean. You see that? Since I started using this DIY shampoo, I have not bought shampoo again in the market. I'm loving the outcome of this shampoo. The shampoo give me good results. So I would like you to try this shampoo. Comment down below so that I will make the shampoo, so that I will love you all to try this shampoo. You will so much be in love with it. So I have raised the second application of shampoo out. So I'm washing the other part of my hair. Like as I said, I like working in session. So I've washed the first part of my hair. Now I want to wash the second part of my hair. Keep watching. Washing our scalp help promote healthy hair growth, because your hair cannot grow when your scalp is dirty. Wash your scalp once in a week or once in 2 weeks. Like I wash my hair once in 2 weeks, which means twice in a month. That's when I used to wash my hair. So please try, no matter how busy you are, try to wash your hair. It's very good. Healthy hair starts from scalp. When your hair is dirty, when your scalp is dirty, the healthy hair will not come. So keep your scalp clean. Please watch to the end of the video so that you will not miss any important information. So this is the second application in this part of my hair. Do you see how the shampoo is? Just, I don't want to talk too much about the shampoo. Just, I will make the video so that it will not be like I'm exaggerating. So this is how my hair is now, super clean. Are you see my scalp? Super clean, super clean. Are you seeing it? I use a t-shirt to dry my hair. Please don't use towel to dry your hair. Use your cotton t-shirt to dry your hair. This is the DIY, this banana and avocado hair mask that I will use to condition my hair. This is my coconut oil, my banana, one avocado and 2 banana. But do you know what happened? Thank God that I bought 2 avocado. This avocado is not good. As I opened the avocado is not good, so I used the second one that I bought. So I used 2 avocado and 2 banana to condition my hair. I love this banana and avocado on my hair. My hair love it so much. I've been using it for a long time now. I've been using it since I start this my natural hair. I've been using this DIY condition, and it's very good in my hair. My hair love it so much, and it also is very good in our natural hair. So this is the banana. I put the avocado. This is the banana, the 2 banana. I will put it and blend it. In the process of the blending, NEPA do their thing. They took lights, but I said I will not give up in this video. I still continue filming, so I'm sorry for that. I used 2 tablespoons of this of the coconut oil. After putting the coconut oil, I went ahead to blend it. So after blending it, this is me now trying to apply it on my hair. So first of all, I will section my hair in 4 sections so that the application will be easier for me. Let's talk about the benefit of avocado in our natural hair. Avocado is a natural moisturizer, prevents hair loss, and promotes longer, healthier hair. Help to strengthen hair. It also acts as a natural sunscreen for hair to help protect hair in the sun, and also help reduce frizz. Do you see that avocado is very good in our hair? Let's talk about the benefit of banana. Banana is a moisturizing natural hair. It help reduce dandruff. It help repair damaged hair, nourish the scalp, and leave the hair looking luxurious and healthy. This is the benefit of banana and the avocado. Do you see their very benefit in our natural hair? I don't joke with it. This is how I apply it. Do you see how the thing? Using banana and avocado on your hair, you will see a lot of new growth on your hair. Use it twice in a month. You will love your hair. Your hair will grow like crazy. I'm not joking. I'm a living testimony. This one of the ingredients that I use to grow my hair, and it's work a lot. You can see my hair is growing. My hair is not up to, don't worry, I will be bringing up the video how old my hair is. I will tell you how my hair journey started and how I'm enjoying it now. So the video will be coming very soon. Is this natural thing that I'll be using for this past few time that I'm a natural. So don't neglect any natural ingredient. They work seriously, they work. That is what I'll be using for long now, and I'm seeing a great result. They work so much. So after I apply it on my hair, I massage it a little in my scalp. So after then, I will cover it with shower cap and leave it for 1 hour. I don't have heat cap. Even though I have now, there is no light currently, but I don't have heat cap. So I normally use my shower cap and the nylon to use it and attract heat on my hair. So I leave it for 1 hour. But unfortunately, NEPA finally did not bring light. So I stay up to 1 hour and 30 minutes so that I'm waiting for NEPA to bring light. Unfortunately, they did not still bring the lights. Do you see how my hair is? Do you see how my hair feels so good? My hair feels so good. It's used to it. This is one of her food that she's always eat and get happy with me. Please try this DIY. You will love it. If you have not given a try on it, try it. It help grow your hair healthy and strong. So this is me covering my hair. This is after the 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm back to wash it out. You see how my hair, oh my goodness. Are you see how my hair is? My hair have observed the thing very well. I'm washing it out now. My hair feels so good. My hair feels so good, so strong. My hair feels so good. Even my frizz, I'm a queen of frizz. My hair frizz a lot. But I can see, cannot even see the frizz. This condition is very nice. Now my battery is running down, so I'm doing it fast. After washing it out, and easy to wash out. It's not difficult to wash out. It's very easy to wash out. So I will still use my t-shirt and damp my hair a little, and then moisturize my hair with my leave-in conditioner mega growth product, and also I will use my homemade oil to see in the moisture. So after washing, I always like to moisturize my hair immediately so that your hair will not be so dry. I will moisturize it and leave it for air dry. I don't use heat on my hair. Since I start natural, I have not used heat on my hair. So I always do air dry whenever I wash my hair. So this will be closing today's video. I hope that you learn one or two in this video. If you are a returning subscriber, you are the best, you are the MVP. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to your girl channel, please. You will love it here. Just turn up the notification button. Whenever I upload video, will be the first to notify. Please subscribe to this channel. Give me a joy, give me a lot of joy. That shows that you love the contents. I love you so much. Thank you so much for stopping by and watch my video. Thank you so much. I do not take you on granted. I love you so much. Please share this video. Comment down below. Whatever that any question, feel free to ask me any question. I will answer your questions. Comment down below. Share the video. I think I said that. Like this video, please. Thank you so much. Help your girl, please. Help your girl and grow. Let's grow this channel, please. Help your girl and grow this channel. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.